Hello there. I am very excited. Today I'm going to work in my brand new journal. I'm actually doing a series that I got from Johanna, and I'll put the link below. The series is called 15-Minute Journal Page, and all it is you just spend 10 different times, 10 different days writing in your journal or putting something in your journal for 15 minutes or less. And Johanna gives you a prompt, and today's prompt, which I'm going to use, is a quote. All she says is put a quote in your journal and 15 minutes or less, and the challenge begins. So I've got my clock. I'm going to start it. I do not know how well I'll be on that, but I've been thinking about my quote for a few days, so I have that, and I already have my page picked out, so let me go ahead and put that there. Okay, I have decided to use a quote by Gandalf the Grey from The Hobbit, who says, "All we have to decide is what to do with the time that is given to us." We are big Lord of the Ring fans at our home, and we watch the series from Thanksgiving to Christmas every year, and it's just one of our favorite, most magical series ever. And so I thought it'd be very fitting to use my time in my journal giving prompts to Gandalf the Grey. So I'm going to try a little something here, and bear with me. I'm just going to, I'm going to draw a little something fun here. So let's see how that goes. And there we have it, with a little bit more than 2 minutes to spare, and my very first entry in my journal for this year. And here we have it. Gandalf the Grey. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.